Namaste students. Today we'll start chapter 14 Rupees and Paise. Count and write in words. One has been done for you. 157 rupees. So you can see 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 5 rupees note and 2 rupee coin. So second is 500 rupee note, 100 rupee note, another 100 rupees note, then 10 rupees note, 5 rupees note, 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, again 50 paise. Then another third is 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 50 rupees note again, 20 rupees note, then 10 rupees note, 5 rupees coin, then 1 rupee coin, then 50 paise and 25 paise. So means here total how many? 231 rupees 75 paise here. So likewise you have to count what is the rupees and notes. Then in the next picture 500 rupees note, 50 rupees, then 20 rupees, then 5 rupees notes. Then you have to write it. What is the total amount? You have to write. So how much money is it? 200 rupees notes and 75 paise coins. Then all these you have to write. One 500 rupees note and one 50 rupees note. 250 rupees note and 150 paise coin. So likewise here 9 questions are given. So you have to write what is the how much money is it. Then convert into paise. One has been done for you. In the given 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 2 rupee equal to 200 paise. Then 3 equal to 300. Then 10 rupees equal to 1000 paise. 5 rupees equal to 500 paise. 8 rupees equal to 800 paise. 4 rupees equal to 400 paise. 3 rupees equal to 300 paise. Likewise convert into rupees. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So 700 paise equal to 700 divided by 100 equal to 7 rupees. So 500 paise equal to 500 divided by 100 equal to 5. Likewise you have to calculate and you have to write. Then fill in the blanks. Dash 25 paise coins make 1 rupee. So how many 25 paise coins? So 4 25 paise coins make 1 rupee. So how 20 paise coins make 2 rupees? Okay, 20 paise means for 1 rupee equal to 5 20 paise means 2 rupee means 10 20 paise coins. So 50 paise coins make 10 rupees. That everything you have to calculate and you have to write. Miss Bishop went to shop for kitchen appliances. She wants to buy only 2 items today. Can you help her find the price she will have to pay? Then one has been done for you. You have to find it. So here one frying pan is 45 rupees 90 paise. Okay. And one mixer is 540 rupees 50 paise. So likewise, so these items rate has been given. Then total you have to find out. Here see the picture and calculate everything and what is the price that you have to write. Then add the money one has been done for you. 75 rupees and 71 rupee 50 paise. So both you have to add. Okay, here 75 rupees and 71 rupee 50 paise equal to 146 rupees and 50 paise. So these all questions are also given. You have to do it, calculations. The next is find the difference. One has been done for you, 47 rupees 25 paise and 32 rupees. So both you have to find the difference. Then 47 rupees 25 paise minus 32 equal to 15 rupees 25 paise. So here this calculation also you have to do. Then find the total cost. One has been done for you. 25 rupee pen, 15 rupee ice cream, then 10 rupee something is there. Okay, so that all three together is 25 plus 15 plus 10 equal to 50. So then here also these three, one ice cream, one ball and one headband, that you have to calculate what is the total cost and you have to write it. Okay, so now state whether true or false. The cost of one cube equal to 12 and cost of one cylinder equal to 36. Then the cost of one cube and cylinder equal to cost of 3 cubes. Okay, is that true or false? That you have to write. Then understand here the given, understand and answer the following. One has been done for you. Subtract the sum of 17 rupee 25 paise and 40 rupees 50 paise from 150 rupees. Okay, then subtract the sum of 7 rupees 50 paise and 16 rupees 25 paise from 65 rupees 75 paise. Subtract the difference of 400 rupees 75 paise and 275 rupees 50 paise from 1000 rupees 75 paise. Okay, that you have to write. Then next is subtract the sum from 147 rupees 25 paise and 373 rupees 10 from 371 rupees 25 paise. Means first you have to subtract the sum of both. Okay, both the sum, and you have to these two you have to first two you have to add, then 371 rupee 25 paise you have to subtract. So then all these question answers also you have to write. Then bus journey. The below chart shows the distance of different cities and their bus ticket cost from New Delhi. Distance from New Delhi. Okay, so 86 kilometers from Panipat equal to 14 rupees 50 paise. Then Karnal 119 kilometers 25 rupees. 227 kilometers Patiala 70 rupees. Then 246 kilometers Chandigarh 95 rupees 50 paise. Then answer the following questions on the basis of above table. From Karnal to Chandigarh, so what will be the distance? Okay, so means 246 is Chandigarh, Karnal is 119, so minus you have to do. Then 95 rupees 50 paise minus 25, then whatever amount you will get. And from Panipat to Patiala also you have to do. Then Panipat to Chandigarh also. Then Rajinder is going from New Delhi to Karnal. What is the cost of the ticket? Ramya with her friend is going from New Delhi to Patiala. How much total amount of money will she pay for their tickets? So that you have to write here. Okay, so this is the chapter of rupees and paise, chapter 14, and you have to read it, go through again, and whatever question answers I have told you, you have to write. Okay, so this much for today, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.